5 little ducks went out to play, splashing in the pond on a sunny day. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks swam near the shore, diving down deep then up once more. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks raced round and round, waddling and hopping on the soft wet ground. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks flapped their wings wide, floating on the water side by side. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck was having so much fun, playing in the reeds away from the sun. Mama duck